Solid advice for making money in Forex. Affiliate marketing can be a clever and simple way to establish a solid income. Whether you partner with a big-name corporation or smaller unknowns, chances are you need some help learning the ropes of this intricate and fast-paced business. Read on for some very valuable information that you can put to practical and profitable use today. Keep track of special offers made by the advertisers in your affiliate marketing program. If advertisers on your website are making a limited time offer on the products you are advertising for them, you should know about it. Consider posting special content to emphasize such deals so that you get your piece of the action. Never be afraid to outsource tasks in affiliate marketing in order to increase productivity. A lot of affiliates, especially startups, only trust themselves to do the work. But you may be missing out on a golden opportunity. Of course, you always need to thoroughly vet anyone to whom work will be outsourced, but if you can get it done for cheap, go for it. Keep your role in mind. As an affiliate marketer, you do not have to be a hard sale artist with a slick pitch. Just let people know about how the products you endorse can benefit them. Be sincere and genuine, but don't turn them off with a high-powered, hard sell campaign. The company that produces the product already has well-researched sales materials in place. A great affiliate marketing tip is to try out a product that you're interested in. If you're interested in promoting a new product, you should try it out first so that you have first-hand knowledge of how it works, and you will know for sure whether promoting it will be a good move. A great affiliate marketing tip is to develop a relationship with the manager of the company you're affiliating with. By getting close to the person in charge, they'll be able to help you sell the product, and they might also give you free stuff to provide to your visitors. As simple as affiliate marketing sounds, there is much to be learned, and hopefully, this video has taught you some of the most important tips and tricks for becoming successful in this business. It may start out slow or have your head spinning within a week, but either way, armed with the right know-how and with your work and determination, you will be an affiliate marketing success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.